Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you're trying to reset your Windows 11 PC and you keep getting an error message that stops the reset, keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to open the command prompt as administrator. Click on the search bar and let's type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and let's select Run as administrator. The first step we're going to try is to disable and re-enable Windows recovery environment. This has fixed many reset related issues. In the command prompt, let's type reagent C space / disable and press enter. You should see operation successful. And then let's type reagent C space / enable and press enter again. You should see operation successful one more time. Now the next step is to run the DISM command, and that's to repair the Windows system image. So let's type DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and press enter. This may take several minutes, so just be patient and let it finish completely. And once the DISM is done, we'll scan and fix corrupted system files. So let's type SFC space / scan now and press enter. And once everything finishes, let's try the reset now. Close the command prompt window and let's go to settings, system, recovery, reset this PC, and try resetting your PC again. If the reset still didn't work, let's try to do the reset from the recovery screen. Go back to recovery and let's click on restart now under the advanced startup. Your PC will restart into the blue screen. Once there, select troubleshoot, then reset this PC. Choose either keep my files if you want to keep your files, or remove everything for a fresh install. Then select local reinstall or cloud download. If one option fails, go back and try the other one. And finally click on reset. Now, if none of that works, you can reinstall Windows using an ISO file. Open a browser and let's search for Windows 11 download. Open the official Microsoft website and let's scroll down to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO. From the drop-down, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click on Download Now. Select your language and then click on Confirm. Then download the 64-bit version. And once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and let's right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. Open the mounted drive and let's double-click on the setup.exe and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if your PC is unsupported, the setup.exe may not run normally, and this is how to get around it. In the ISO window, click on the address bar and let's type CMD and press enter. This opens the command prompt inside the ISO folder. Now type the command below and press enter. Click yes when prompted, and when the setup window opens, click on change how setup downloads updates and just select Not Right Now. Then click on Next. Choose what you want to keep. Then click on Next. And just wait for the installation to complete. And that's it. I hope this video helped you fix the Windows 11 reset problem. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.